Austin's hot climate puts unique demands on home materials, especially windows. Intense sunlight, high temperatures, and long cooling seasons can make homes uncomfortable and drive up energy costs when windows aren't up to the task. For homeowners looking for a window option that stands up to the heat, vinyl windows have proven to be a reliable and practical choice. Their performance, durability, and efficiency make them well suited for Austin homes. Built to handle high heat and sun exposure, vinyl windows are made from durable materials designed to withstand prolonged heat and direct sunlight. Unlike some materials that can warp, crack, or fade over time, high-quality vinyl maintains its shape and appearance even under intense conditions. In Austin's hot climate, this stability helps ensure windows continue to open, close, and seal properly year after year. Excellent insulation against heat transfer. One of the key reasons vinyl windows perform well in hot environments is their natural insulating properties. Vinyl does not conduct heat easily, which helps limit heat transfer from outside to inside. For Austin homeowners, this means indoor spaces stay cooler and more comfortable, even during peak summer temperatures. Helping homes stay cooler with energy efficiency, vinyl windows are often paired with energy-efficient glass options that reflect heat and reduce solar gain. Combined with insulated frames, this creates an effective barrier against outdoor heat. In Austin homes, energy-efficient vinyl windows help reduce the workload on air conditioning systems, supporting consistent comfort throughout the day. Tight seals that reduce air leaks. Air leaks are a major contributor to heat intrusion and uneven indoor temperatures. Vinyl windows are designed with precision-fitted frames and secure seals that limit unwanted airflow. For Austin homeowners, fewer air leaks mean less hot air entering the home and better control over indoor comfort. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures, older windows often create hot spots near walls and uneven temperatures throughout the house. Vinyl windows help stabilize indoor conditions by reducing heat transfer and air leakage. In Austin homes, this leads to more comfortable living spaces and fewer temperature fluctuations from room to room. Low maintenance in hot conditions. Hot climates can accelerate wear and tear on window materials. Vinyl windows require minimal maintenance because they resist peeling, chipping, and fading. For Austin homeowners, this low-maintenance performance means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying a comfortable home. Resistant to moisture and humidity. In addition to heat, Austin experiences periods of humidity. Vinyl windows resist moisture absorption, helping prevent warping or deterioration. This moisture resistance supports long-term performance and contributes to a healthier indoor environment. Noise reduction adds to comfort. Vinyl windows with multi-pane glass can also help reduce outdoor noise. This contributes to a calmer indoor atmosphere, especially in busy neighborhoods. For Austin residents, quieter interiors add another layer of comfort to daily living. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the best windows need proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures vinyl windows are sealed and aligned correctly. In Austin homes, expert installation helps vinyl windows deliver maximum comfort and efficiency in hot conditions. A smart window choice for Austin homes. Vinyl windows are well suited for Austin's hot climate because they resist heat, insulate effectively, and require minimal maintenance. By helping control indoor temperatures, reducing air leaks, and supporting energy efficiency, they improve comfort and long-term performance. For homeowners in Austin, vinyl windows are a smart investment that delivers reliable comfort through the hottest months of the year.